Hi there. I'm gonna show you today how to use the and filter in the planning section of Husky. I can imagine that a lot of you guys have an extensive planning in Husky, and there will be moments that where you want to see a sort of limited view of the planning, maybe during meetings with one or more colleagues, or whilst you are in a daily planning moment where the extensive planning is an overload of information. Well, we offer the filter function in Husky, and we have the choice between or and. So I'm going to show you an example. I want to see within the extensive planning, I want a limited view with all campaigns. Husky just show me the campaigns that are actually running within this period. Then I see 3 campaigns, and then I'm gonna use my and filter. I want to see campaigns and all planning items that are tagged with social ads. Well, then planning is limited or reduced to one channel. So with this criterion, it has to be a social ad channel within this period, and it has to be within eCampaign. Second example, I'm going to reset all filters. Same start. I want to see all campaigns and all campaigns for which my colleague Karin is responsible. And I want to see all planning items where she's responsible for within campaigns and are tagged with the social ads. So then again, I have to choose the and. Then again, I have these one channel. So campaigns, social ads, and my colleague Karin is responsible for. So this is a great option when you want to limit your or reduce your extensive planning in Husky.